Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a really quick, easy microwave fudge. In the bowl I have 3 cups of chocolate chips. To that I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, just a pinch of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I microwaved this. Now I'm going to stir it all together. And it's going to have to work quick because it's going to thicken up pretty fast. And you can add whatever kind of stuff you want to add to it. Walnuts, raisins, whatever. Once it's all stirred together, I'm going to put it into a lightly buttered dish. Spread it out. And this goes in the refrigerator to cool for about an hour. And I'll be back with it. Hi, I haven't timed this exactly, but I think it's been close to an hour, so I'm going to cut it. Could have used a little bit more time, but take a piece out, put it back in the fridge. I'm going to try this fudge out, and you can see very nice, creamy. So, hopefully you'll give this a try. And thank you for watching.